Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will understand how we can create agent in Salesforce. If you don't know like which org you can use for to create the agent, you can simply sign up with this link. Don't worry, I will provide you this link in the description box. So once you will sign up with this link, you will be redirected to this page and you will also receive the email. Right, you can simply log in your Salesforce org. So you have to go to the setup and setup. Here you have to enable this toggle because you will not be able to create the agent if you don't do this. After enabling this, just refresh this org and simply type the agent in the setup. Now you can see Agentforce agent is showing, and here also you have to enable this toggle, which is Agentforce toggle, and you can now go to create the new agent. So just simply click on the new agent. If you are creating your agent, you have to select the agent you want to create, what type of agent. So it depends on your needs and requirements. As I am using here a developer edition, which is a free org provided by the Salesforce. So we have only two types, and if you purchase different license, so you can see we have SDRs agent, sales coach agent, various agent types. So I am creating here agent for service agent. By simply clicking on next, you can choose the topic, like which topic you want to use in this agent. If you don't know what is topic, you can check out my previous video for this. Simply click on next. Here you have to give the name of the agent. So I am giving the agent name is AI agent. It depends on you. So here we have to provide the description. Like, what do you mean by the description is it basically explains the goals of your agent in detail, like what is the purpose of this agent. And in the role, basically you have to provide the job description, key responsibilities, and in the company you have to provide the company information. So at the back end, it also create the agent user. You don't have to worry with this. And for this, you have to check this button if you are facing any issue, like my agent is not working properly. So you can debug these all of those things with the event logs. So for this feature, you have to check this checkbox. Now simply go to the next. Here you have to select the data sources. Suppose in your company you have some unstructured or structured data, and you want responses from those data. So you can simply create the Einstein data library. Now it is renamed here and it is called Agentforce data library. So for this you have to turn on the data cloud and you have to create the data library and just upload this data library here to use this. So I am not using, just creating agent. Now you are good to go to play around with this, and here it is all of those topics available, and in those topics you have some actions as well. And now you can simply test this agent and activate it for the future purpose. Follow for more such kind of video. Thank you. Bye bye.